'07 Chrysler Pacifica tie rod replacement, the outer tie rod. This is the new one here. I made markings here where the bolt was, where I loosened it up in order to unscrew the old one. This is back there. So you can take the tire off. Show you guys a replacement. It's reverse of what I'm doing now. So have it here. Get it right here. Post it up. Put a hold on it here. Let me set you guys down somewhere if I can. See if you guys can see it. Set you guys down there. But you want to hold it and tighten it up as tight as you can get it. Go straight. Now that you got it as tight as you can get it, you're going to want to turn it upwards for the outer tie rod, and you're going to want to stick it through here. Stick it through here, take this castle nut, and put it through. Over here.
Doing too much walking. Oh yeah. Listen to this. So you found the
I'm going to make sure you line it up as close as you can get it for the alignment.
Right, he's trying to.
That's how bad niggas feel. That shit sit up there and tell you a whole nother story because you ain't heard it. It's so believable, you'll be like, damn, like, shit that I just heard was that real? Like, I'm fucked up, bro. I couldn't find out for shit. I was let my PO let me do it, I ain't even do it. Like that type of nigga.
Right, you don't even want to make it, you don't even want to add more producers.
Right, yeah, I ain't even that type of nigga, man. That's why I ain't let my PO hear this shit.
Right. If you ever need to, though,
Yeah.
you know you got that motherfucker. Like, if it come between being free and going in there, like, look, man, boom, listen to this shit right here. Listen to what I go through.
But see, what I be worried about her driving my fucking husband. How she know this, though? I'm worried, how she know this? She know the stalker. You know what I'm saying? She's stalking us and that shit. You probably got me recorded, bitch. I'm out
Too late, man.
You probably got me on board, bitch. I don't even know how to do it. I did. Somebody else did, but for real. I don't know if somebody else won. They said this from one.
Oh.
Yeah. Y'all ain't sunflower seeds. Brazil ass niggas.
You heard all these little pump bitch? That's my
D.
Real, bro. Hey, you fucked up. Listen to it, bro. What? Crazy, man.
Hey, she's crazy, bro.
Shit, that work.
Yeah, he a mechanic.
What is it? You need to turn it. Is it stuck?
You probably got to get some screwdriver or something? Yeah, you know this is a $40 job, right? Hey, she ain't working because of that?
She just can't turn it.
Turn to the airport. Yeah.
Be cool.
On my feet, I want it on my face. Back,
You gotta turn it to the one little knob.
yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
might work. You think my nigga might work? It ain't got nothing to turn it.
A little bit ain't like it's driving.
Y'all still got a wire cutter?
You got some wire cutters in there? Yeah.
Nah, I ain't got none of those. I got a wire cutter, but ain't none of those. You might be able to.
That shit got a real point in here. I just need something. Well, you know what I'm saying?
These got a little teeth on them.
That's some around the house type shit. Ah, I gotta take that back.
Yee!